Have you ever gazed at the night sky and pondered the possibility of life existing on planets far beyond our own? An intriguing thought, isn't it? We're here to delve into the realm of exoplanets, those celestial bodies orbiting stars light years away from us. These distant worlds, shrouded in mystery, may hold the answers to some of our most profound questions. Could they be homes to alien life? Sit tight, we are about to embark on a cosmic journey. Welcome to Astro Marvel, your gateway to the cosmos and beyond. Before we embark on this interstellar journey, it's essential to understand what exoplanets are. In the simplest terms, exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. They are cosmic bodies just like our own planets, but they dance around different stars. The formation of exoplanets is a celestial ballet of dust and gas, swirling together in the vastness of space, adhering through gravity, and eventually forming these distant worlds. Scientists discern the existence of these far-off planets through a variety of methods. One of the most common is the transit method, where a planet's orbit causes a small dip in its star's brightness. It's like a cosmic game of peekaboo. Exoplanets vary greatly. Some are rocky like our Earth, while others are gas giants akin to Jupiter. We've even found lava worlds and planets with potential for water. So now that we know what exoplanets are, shall we delve into their wonders? Exoplanets are not just celestial bodies, they are worlds filled with wonders that defy our understanding. As we journey through the vast cosmos, we encounter planets so extraordinary that they seem to come straight out of a sci-fi novel. Take, for instance, the dazzling spectacle that is 55 Cancri E, a planet approximately 40 light-years away from Earth. This gem of a world, quite literally, is believed to have a surface made largely of diamond. Yes, you heard it right, a planet shimmering with the brilliance of countless diamonds, a sight so spectacular it could make any jeweler's heart skip a beat. But the universe doesn't stop there in its display of the bizarre and the beautiful. Picture this, a world where it rains glass sideways. This is the reality on HD 189733b, a gas giant located 63 light-years away. The planet's blue hue, similar to Earth's, is not due to oceans but a result of silicate particles in its atmosphere, which scatter blue light. When these particles condense in the planet's scorching heat, they form glass, which is then swept away by its ferocious winds, creating a rain of glass that moves at more than 7,000 kilometers per hour. And then, we have Kepler-16b, a planet with a view that would put any romantic sunset to shame. This is a world where you would witness not one, but two suns dipping below the horizon. Kepler-16b orbits two stars, offering a double sunset spectacle that would make even Luke Skywalker feel right at home. The universe is indeed a treasure trove of wonders, with each exoplanet telling its own unique story. From diamond worlds to glass rain to planets with double sunsets, it's a cosmic carnival out there, waiting to be explored. These strange and fascinating worlds truly push the boundaries of our imagination. But amongst these cosmic marvels, could there be a planet that hosts life as we know it? In our quest for extraterrestrial life, we often look for planets that reside in what scientists call the habitable zone, or more affectionately, the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right. This zone is the perfect distance from a star where a planet could have liquid water on its surface, a key ingredient for life as we understand it. Now let's consider some of the potential cradles of life that exist beyond our solar system. First up, we have Proxima Centauri b. This exoplanet is orbiting the nearest star to our Sun, which is a mere 4.2 light-years away. That's practically next door in cosmic terms. Proxima Centauri b resides comfortably in the Goldilocks zone of its star, making it a prime candidate for the search for life. Next, let's take a cosmic leap to the star system TRAPPIST-1, about 40 light-years away. In this system, we find TRAPPIST-1e, a rocky world that is also within its star's habitable zone. What's fascinating about TRAPPIST-1e is that it's roughly the same size as Earth and receives about the same amount of light from its star. It's like looking in a cosmic mirror. But don't pack your bags just yet. While these exoplanets reside in the Goldilocks zone, it doesn't guarantee that they host life. There are numerous factors that contribute to a planet's habitability, including its atmosphere, magnetic field, and geological activity. We're still in the early stages of understanding these distant worlds, and every new discovery brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? While the search for extraterrestrial life continues, these exoplanets give us hope. The study of exoplanets is not just about understanding the universe, it's also about understanding our place in it. As we continue our cosmic journey, we are standing on the brink of a new era in exoplanet exploration. Technologies are advancing at a breathtaking pace, telescopes are growing more powerful, and our understanding of these distant worlds is evolving. In the future, we'll be able to probe the atmospheres of exoplanets, searching for signs of life. We'll map their surfaces, study their weather patterns, and uncover their geological histories. These investigations will not only shed light on the potential for life elsewhere, but also provide insight into how our own planet came to be. The quest for exoplanets is a journey of discovery, a journey that expands our knowledge, ignites our imagination, and challenges our concept of what it means to be alone in the universe. As we continue to explore these distant worlds, who knows what wonders we might uncover next? So, fellow cosmic explorers, that brings us to the end of our journey through the exoplanets. We've journeyed through the vast cosmos, marveled at the wonders of exoplanets, and pondered on the potential cradles of life. The cosmos is a vast and wondrous place, and our exploration has only just scratched the surface. So keep your telescopes at the ready, your curiosity piqued, and your spirit of adventure alive. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. This is Astro Marvel, signing off until our next interstellar adventure.